description doon. Now, regarding the form, kailangan nyo lang ilagay yung name. Yung wala ka mag-withdraw for just number. Pero yung... Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is once again Nico and I'm Lazada. So for today's vlog, ang gagawin natin is mag-unbox tayo ng mystery box from Lazada. Yes, you heard it right. This is worth 99 pesos from Lazada. So try muna natin sa medyo mura lang ang kaunti. So try natin itong 99 pesos mystery box and let's see kung okay. So I'm also taking advantage of this opportunity para din at the same time explain ko din yung nangyari within the past 4 months na wala akong upload, and at the same time with my experience sa pagkuha ko ng Google AdSense PIN. I'm going to share to you my experience at the same time tips para maiwasan yung my experience ko, okay? So without further ado, let's begin. So yun, buksan na natin. Okay, so actually last week ko pa ito nakuha and then na-receive the package. However, ngayon lang siguro nagka-time na mag-vlog at nagkalakas ng loob at mag-vlog once again na ako nagsasalita sa camera. So yeah, gusto natin another plastic. Gusto natin ulit. Okay, so here's the box, and by the looks of it, parang lugi na agad tayo kasi this is for I think 20 pesos. Nabibilta ng 20 pesos sa palengke, and then this one gamepad, sa pagkakatanda ko na nakabili na din ako nito for probably 50 pesos or 40. So but let's see inside. Tingnan natin. Okay, so it's really a gamepad. Actually, meron akong ganito na dalawa extra na hindi ko din nagagamit. But yeah, anyway, so that's it. That's for the mystery box unboxing. So it's worth 99 pesos and probably lugi ako ng 40 pesos. Kasi ito, sabi ko kung bibili mo ito ng 30 to 50, and this one around 10 or 20 pesos. So, ayun lang. Ganoon lang kabilis yung nangyari sa mystery box unboxing natin. So, anyway, move on na tayo dun. So, I'm going to explain kung bakit wala akong na-upload for a few months already, and that's because for 3 things. Una, family. Not really family, but trabaho. Second is the personal reason. And then, the last reason, which is the most important, I think, na kung bakit ko to binovlog is because of the Google AdSense PIN. Yes. So as you all know, bago ka makapasok sa YouTube Partnership Program, kailangan mo ng 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours. And naabot ko yun for a year actually. So medyo nahirapan talaga ako at saka nasa critical days na ako actually bago umabot yung 1 year kasi nagkulang pa ako ng how many subscribers that time. So luckily nakakuha ako ng enough numbers para ma-qualify sa YouTube Partnership Program and eventually na-approve. Okay, so right after monetization, ang next step natin or next goal natin is makapag-earn tayo ng $10. $10 para yan, sendan tayo ng Google AdSense PIN for verification from YouTube. So, ang nangyari sa akin, it took more than 4 months bago nangyari yon. And you know what? Ang hirap nung nangyari sa akin kasi nawala yung ads ko kasi hindi ko na-meet yung deadline. At the same time, wala akong ginawa mismo sa account na pwede palang gawin para lang maiwasan yung nangyari sa akin. And that is the reason why kung bakit ito ginagawa is para i-share sa inyo yung mga bagay na dapat nyong gagawin, or I should say, my tips para maiwasan nyo yung nangyari sa akin. So, explain ko lang ng mabilisan kung paano yung Google AdSense PIN. Okay, so, after $10 earning ka, automatic magsisend sa YouTube ng PIN sa address mo. And then, may 4 months ka para magawa mo yun, which is, hindi ko nagawa. So, yun yung nangyari. So, kaya nawala yung ads ko, hindi ako kumita for the past 4 months, and at the same time, wala talaga akong upload. Tip number 1. So, by the time na nag-send sa YouTube sa'yo ng Google AdSense PIN, magbilang ka ng araw within 2 to 4 weeks. If within the time frame wala kang na-receive at all sa inyong bahay or after visiting one of your local posts, what you can do is visit your Google account. Or should I say your Google account AdSense account. So, after visiting, there's actually a part there na pwede kang mag-resend or mag-request ng additional PIN. So, actually may 4 attempt ka na pwedeng gawin. So, after the first time na mag-send sa'yo sa YouTube ng Google AdSense PIN, if wala pa rin, mag-request ka, so that's your first attempt. And then, if after 2 to 3 weeks, wala pa rin, and after you visiting the local post, wala pa rin, then you can then visit once again your account and then mag-attempt ka ulit ng request. So, that's your second attempt. Now, if within 2 to 3 weeks, wala pa rin yung PIN or na-send sa'yo, what you can do is, gawin mo lang ulit yung una mong ginawa. Punta ka lang ulit sa Google AdSense account mo, and then mag-request ka ng Google AdSense PIN. So, for the PIN, by the way, that is actually the same PIN numbers na i-send sa'yo ni YouTube the first time na nag-send siya sa inyo. So, there. So, now, doon sa fourth attempt, meron ang option doon sa ilalim, sa PIN troubleshooter, na pwede ka nang mag-manual verification. May option doon to contact us. I-click nyo lang yung contact us, and then parang ma-route ka sa another page, and then may form doon na kailangan mo lang siyang fill up. Now, regarding the form, kailangan mo lang ilagay doon yung name, yung additional information mo. At the same time, kailangan mo mag-upload ng ID. Now, yung ID na dapat i-upload nyo is ID na dapat kung saan ka located. So, for me, located ako sa Lipa. Of course, yung ID na ginawa ko is yung ID ko na nasa Lipa ako. However, here's the thing. This is actually my second tip. So, ang nangyari sa akin, kakalipat lang namin dito sa bahay last year. So, way back October. And then, yung ID na meron ako, which is yung ID na unang ginamit ko sa pag-apply is an ID coming from a different barangay. So, ang nangyari sa akin, ang ginawa ko para mabilis yung PIN, binago ko muna yung address code dun sa Google AdSense PIN setting. Sa Google AdSense setting, nilagay ko muna yung old address ko, and then right after, in-upload ko yung ID kung saan yun ay may the same address information. So, after that, after 4 hours, actually 2 hours lang, nakita ko na agad na bumalik na yung ads ko sa YouTube. And, worth it yung hirap, yung stress. You know, after na pag-aantay ng PIN, and to be honest, 4 times yata ako balik sa local post office para lang mag-check kung may PIN na dumating. So, ayan, after that, after manual verification, bumalik na yung ads ko, nakapaglagay na ako ng updated address, and then at the same time, nakapaglagay na ako ng banking information sa Google AdSense account ko. So, third tip. So, for Google payment or YouTube payment, dati ang ginagawa kasi is through Western Union. Ngayon, wire transfer na. So, usually BDO, BPI magandang gamitin. So, ang ginawa ko actually is yung BDO account ko, ilagay ko lang sa account. And then you can even add additional or secondary banking account. For the fourth tip, this is not actually a tip but additional information. Before tayo makapag-withdraw ng salary natin from YouTube, kailangan maabot muna natin yung $100 threshold. So for example, kung every month kumikita ka $100, every month kang pwedeng makapag-withdraw sa or should I say kikita or magkakaroon ka ng salary. However, kung ang mangyayari is for this month, halimbawa September, ang kinita mo lang is say $80, wala kang ma-withdraw for September, pero yung $80 is mag-overflow yun for October, at yung kikitain mo for the whole October, maa-add yan dun sa kita mo sa September, and eventually, pag na-reach mo na yung $100, makukuha mo na yung salary mo. So, as for me, hindi pa ako nakakapag-withdraw. So, to be honest, yung kita ko sobrang liit pa lang, pero I don't mind as long as kumikita ako. Malaking bagay na yun. At least, we're getting started, diba? At least, nakuha na natin or naabot na natin yung goal natin, at least. So, ayun na nga guys. I'm sorry kung medyo maingay sa background ko. So, of course, work from home tayo. Nasa bahay lang. So, hindi talaga may iwasan natin yung may mga sound sa background, right? But, yeah, I think that's all for me for today. Kung may mga questions kayo, you can always direct message me or just simply comment down dun sa video na to, and then, of course, as much as possible, sasagutin ko yan, okay? We're done for today. Oh my God! Thank you guys for watching to my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Bisayang Batanggenyo. And yeah, that's all for me. Ciao.
It's caught in the crossfire.